Winner one's 15-20. Winner one's 15-20.
There's the gun. Division 3 boys. The Clapper. Division 3 girls, 30 minutes.
There you go, Alejandro! Let's go, Alejandro!
That's 10 o'clock. Division 3 girls, 30 minutes.
You're fine.
Division 3.
That's perfect.
Come on, let's go, Greenway.
Come on,
Yeah, you look good. Stay good. Stay relaxed.
Patience one.
Come on, Jill. Come on, Brian. Let's go. This is last time.
Come on, Dominique. Get up there. Get up there.
All right, Dennis. Need that pack. Okay, Eddie Alonzo, you got to go with Dennis. Got to go with Dennis. That's it, Matthew. Now's the time. Now's the time, Matthew.
That's why we're here.
Go, Kristen!
Gotta move, Billy. Gotta go. Stay up there, Alejandro. Stay up there. Go get him, Alejandro. Go get him.
Come on, Brian! Come on, Brian!
Come on, Dennis. All right, Matthew. Stay with them, Matthew. Stay with them. Coming to the end of the pack, cross over to the finish.
Orman. There it is. Let's go first record. 29. Great picture, great uniform, very high publicity.
I was his coach for 3 years. Cody, get him, Johnny. He got him. Oh, I don't know. It's a battle. Nope. He got him.
Oh, yeah, he got it right in front of him.
Come on, Cyril.
Another race.
Whoa, Mingus is ready. Come on, Aaron! Take him! Come on, Aaron! Do it, Dennis! Come on, Dennis! Don't give up! Go! Dennis, go! Come on, Alonzo! Go! Alonzo, go! Come on, go! Take him! Go for it! Come on, Sean! Come on! Come on, Kyle! Do it, Matthew!
Come on, Cody, go! Come on, Cody, get him! Get him, Cody, get one! Get one!